Imagine a concrete so strong it could survive for over 2 millennia. No cracks, no corrosion, just unyielding strength. Ancient Rome built with this material, yet today our bridges, ports, and buildings often crumble in decades. Why? Modern concrete degrades faster due to its chemical composition, which wasn't optimized for longevity. The puzzle: how did the Romans achieve such durability, and can we replicate their techniques to revolutionize modern infrastructure? Roman concrete wasn't just strong, it was built to last. The Pantheon's dome, still standing after nearly 2,000 years, used volcanic ash and lime and seawater. Unlike modern concrete, which cracks over time, Roman concrete developed self-healing properties, resisting corrosion and earthquakes. Scientists are studying its formula to create longer-lasting infrastructure, but it doesn't get stronger, it simply ages better. But what made Roman concrete last so long? It starts with volcanic ash, called pozzolana, a fine, natural material from ancient volcanoes. Romans mixed it with lime and seawater, creating a chemical reaction that strengthened the concrete over time. Unlike modern concrete, this mix could self-heal cracks and resist saltwater corrosion. Today, scientists study this ancient technique to build longer-lasting infrastructure. Roman concrete wasn't just strong, it was designed to last centuries thanks to a clever chemical trick. When Romans mixed volcanic ash, pozzolana, with lime and seawater, it created a reaction that made the concrete stronger over time. Unlike modern concrete, which cracks or rusts within decades, Roman concrete could self-heal, like a material growing tougher with age. Scientists are now studying this ancient recipe to create longer-lasting infrastructure for today's world. Modern concrete, made from limestone and steel rebar, is strong but vulnerable. It cracks under stress and corrodes when exposed to saltwater or de-icing chemicals like calcium chloride, which accelerates rusting of the steel rebar. This corrosion weakens structures like bridges and piers, requiring costly repairs every few decades. Unlike Roman concrete, modern versions lack self-repair abilities and rely on frequent maintenance. Scientists are now studying ancient techniques to create a more resilient concrete for our aging infrastructure. Scientists today are racing to recreate this ancient recipe, testing how volcanic ash, lime, and seawater can form a concrete that self-heals like Roman structures did. Imagine if modern bridges or piers could repair tiny cracks on their own, lasting centuries without corrosion. They're analyzing samples from the Roman port of Pozzuoli, where concrete still stands strong after 2,000 years, to unlock its secrets for today's infrastructure challenges. Now imagine the self-healing concrete applied to modern infrastructure: bridges, roads, even skyscrapers. Today's bridges crack under stress, piers corrode in saltwater, and buildings need constant repairs. But if we recreate Roman concrete's resilience, structures could last centuries without maintenance. Scientists are testing volcanic ash mixtures to make this a reality. Picture a bridge that fixes its own cracks or a skyscraper that grows stronger over time. No more costly replacements, just durable, long-lasting infrastructure. But scaling Roman-style concrete faces hurdles beyond just cost. Factories must ramp up production to meet global demand, think millions of tons annually, while construction firms, trained on weaker modern mixes, may resist change. Even with AI optimizing designs, skepticism lingers. Yet history shows breakthroughs often start as impossible before becoming standard. The real question? Can we balance innovation with practicality in time to build a more durable future? But not everyone believes Roman concrete can work today. Some say it's too expensive, or that modern factories can't make enough of it. Others worry construction companies won't switch from what they know, even if it's weaker. Yet history shows breakthroughs often start with doubt. The real question isn't if we can recreate it, it's when. And if we do, imagine bridges that heal themselves or skyscrapers that last centuries without crumbling. Let's step into the past to see Roman concrete in action. At the port of Ostia, Rome's ancient harbor, this durable material built piers that still stand today, 2,000 years later. Unlike modern concrete, which cracks or corrodes, these structures were made with volcanic ash, lime, and seawater, creating a mix that actually gets stronger over time. Engineers are studying these ruins to unlock that same resilience for today's infrastructure. But today, our roads and bridges are crumbling. Aging infrastructure demands urgent solutions. Roman concrete could be the answer. Its durability comes from a mix of volcanic ash and seawater, unlike modern cement that cracks over time. However, cost, scalability, or industry resistance might delay its adoption. History shows breakthroughs often start with doubt. The question isn't if we can do it, when. If we succeed, imagine self-healing bridges or skyscrapers that last centuries without crumbling. Imagine AI acting like a digital detective, analyzing ancient Roman concrete to uncover its secrets. By studying volcanic ash and seawater mixtures in labs, scientists could use AI to create stronger, longer-lasting infrastructure like bridges that repair themselves over time. This isn't just about robots. It's about using cutting-edge tech to rediscover lost knowledge from the past. Engineers today face a crisis. Roads and bridges crumble. But Roman concrete offers a blueprint for resilience. Volcanic ash, lime, and seawater create a mix that strengthens over time, unlike modern concrete, which cracks or corrodes. Yet cost, scalability, and industry resistance may delay its adoption. History shows breakthroughs start with doubt, not impossibility. The question isn't if we can replicate this, it's when. If we succeed, imagine bridges that self-heal or skyscrapers lasting centuries. Now, share this video if you're curious about ancient solutions for modern problems. Roman concrete wasn't just strong, it was smart, strengthening over time like a living material. Today we stand at another crossroads, with AI as our historian, scanning ruins to unlock ancient secrets. The progress isn't guaranteed. It's about asking the right questions and pushing boundaries. If you're curious about how history can shape the future, share this video and tell us what other